cloudy with a 40% chance of showers. Highs in the upper 50s. Wednesday night, cloudy with a 40% chance of showers. Warmer with lows in the lower 50s. Thursday, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers in the morning, then showers in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 60s. Chance of rain 80%. Thursday night, mostly cloudy with a chance of rain showers in the evening, then partly cloudy after midnight. Much cooler with lows in the lower 30s. Chance of rain 40%. Friday, mostly sunny in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy. Much cooler with highs in the mid-40s. Friday night, mostly cloudy with a chance of rain and snow showers. Lows in the lower 30s. Chance of precipitation 40%. Saturday, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of showers. Highs in the mid-40s. Temperature falling to around 40 in the afternoon. On the latest weather map, high pressure will expand.
Come on, Cleveland. Relay the flood warning.
Dry weather conditions
I mean, it was already issued, but still, I want to get it.
A warm front will lift north of Lake Erie on Wednesday, followed by a cold front crossing the area Thursday afternoon. The forecast for northeast inland Ohio. Today, sunny. Much cooler with highs in the mid-40s.
We'll get the weather on the ones real quick. It's going to be chilly everywhere.
45 for that high temperature in Lima. In the north central Ohio, we'll see a high of about 45 in Fremont, 44 in Norwalk, and 42 in Mansfield. Most northeast Ohio. Cities like Youngstown dropping out
Where's
of
Capital?
Akron, and Cleveland, mid-40s for you. And again, it's going to stay dry as we look at future casts in regards to precipitation. A lot of sun, a lot of blue skies. So again, temperatures start to fall off tonight after midnight to close to 5, 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. We are likely to see overnight low temperatures around 5 miles per hour. Monday, afternoon high temperatures making a run
A chance of showers after midnight. Lows in the upper 30s. Chance of rain 40%. Flood warning now in effect from this morning through this evening. What? Minor flooding is occurring and minor flooding is forecast. Where? Eagle Creek at Phalanx Station. When? Until late this evening. Impacts in 11.0 feet. Barkley Messerly Road, McConnell East, and Knowlton roads will be flooded and impassable. Additional details. At 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday, the stage was 11.9 feet. Recent activity, the maximum river stage in the 24 hours ending at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday was 11.9 feet. Forecast, the river is cresting and is expected to fall below flood stage late this afternoon and continue falling to 6.3 feet early Tuesday afternoon. Flood stage is 9.5 feet. Flood history, this crest compares to a previous crest of 12.0 feet on October 16, 1954. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. At noon, weather reports for selected cities at Akron, Canton.
Okay, that's interesting. Heard that on a winter advisory yesterday. I didn't record it, so I guess I wouldn't show it.
Humidity was 53%. The wind was
okay.
at 14 miles an hour.
Well, there goes Eagle Creek's chances of not being flooded today.